Okay, so we want to learn about while loop, right?
Yes.
So imagine, let me put it a comment. This is a comment.
Yes.
A comment means ignore the line. So uh, I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will happen is I have to use print statement to print the. So I can copy paste and then I can bracket close and I can copy paste and bracket close and I can. So this is how I'm going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now for example, I saved it and I want to run it. So before running, I have to import, I have to change my directory because at the moment I am in this directory. So get CWD change working directory. So this is my current directory. I want to change it to CHDIR, which is my C:/users/tsv/tmp. So I missed my quotations. So now it is changed. If I just go back and see my directory, so I'm in this directory. So I have this, my code is available in this one. So I can execute my code. It is execute.
Yeah. Okay.
Exact. Execute, open, and then grade.py.read. So this is my, so let's type it again, okay? So I'll say this is my execute code. I want to open a file which I want to read, okay? So the file I want to open is this one. What is that? Grade.py. So let's run it. And you see it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I want to print 5, that is fine. But if I have to print like, if I have to print like 1,000 values, then how many statements I need? I need 1,000 statements. This is not a good idea to have 1,000 statements. Imagine if my business grows and I have to print like millions, then I need a million lines. Going to be a big problem. So for that matter, what we do is we will use loop. Now we have two types of loop. One is a while loop and the other one is for loop.
لا 4S.
Yeah, for loop. So these are the two loops that we will have for loops. Now, when we are sure that how many times you want to loop, we use for loop. And when we are not sure how many times we are going to loop, we use while loop. Okay, so I can say when we are sure how many times we will loop, we use for loop. Okay, so whether we use for loop or while loop, concept is same. So what I'm going to do is I want to use a while loop, okay? And while needs a condition. While needs a condition. So condition is, for example, I want to print 10 values or 15 values. So I will, I need a condition here that can check whether I can loop until 12, until 15. Before that, these are the statements that I want to print. Since we are using a loop, so loop is very good at repeating stuff. So we want to repeat this statement again and again for 10 times. So what I will do is I'll say, okay, what is the common thing that we need to we have in this statement? The common thing is print and the bracket, and this part is the common one. Huh? So maybe what I can do is I can write it for you. So this is the common part. This is the common part for all statement. And this is the part that is changing all the time. So imagine anything that is same, we will keep that and we will remove every statement. We'll keep it at one copy, and then this part is a variable. So changing all the time. So I can put any variable name. What is that? Could be, can you give me some variable name? Could be
like X.
X. Okay, good. So I want to print X. And now the starting value of X should be 1, right? So I'll say starting value of X is 1. Now, you want to print X as 1, and then you want to print X as 2, and 3, and a 4, and a 5. And at the same time, you want to check as well. So what I will do is, so to make a check, I say, okay, if X is less than 16, because I want to print 15 times, huh?
Yes.
If I say X is less than 16, then please come inside and print the value. So
if it's bigger, he will not print. If it's X bigger than 16, he will not print.
Yeah, if X is bigger than 16, then it will not print. It will go outside the loop. It will exit the loop. Now tell me, X is 1, okay? Okay, instead of 15, I'll say I want to go with the 5 value, okay? I will go with the 5. So at least I will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now...
You will not print to 4, yes?
Oh, sorry, 1 to 4, you're right. So it will print 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, please tell me, X is 1. Okay, now we have to walk through. We have to walk through the loop and see what's going on in this loop. What is the value of X?
1.
1. X is 1. 1 is less than 5?
Yes, he will not. He will print X.
He will print 1, okay? So he will print the output. Output will be 1. Now, the loop finishes. It will go back to this condition again. What is the value of X?
1.
1. 1 is less than 5?
Yes.
It will come inside. It will print X. What is X?
1.
1. It will print and then it will go back to the loop. What is the value of X?
1.
1 is less than 5? Yes. It will print 1. Now, can you tell me how many 1 he will print?
Infinity.
Infinity, because it's printing. It is coming, and it is coming down and checking, and then coming down and checking, and coming down and checking. It will always be 1. So where is the wrong in our system?
We didn't put like
We did
rule
not.
or condition.
We did not increment the X.
Mm-hmm.
We did not change the value of X, because I want to print 1, 2, 3, and 4. You see here?
Yes.
The value of X is not changing. The value of X is not changing. X is always 1. X is always 1. What should we do? We should make the X, once we print the X value 1, what we should do? We should change the value of X to 2. How we can do that?
We will put under the print X equal X plus 1.
X equal X plus 1. Okay. Now let's go back and check the output. Huh? We'll delete this one, because it will go until infinity. Now X is 1 again. 1 is less than 5? Yes.
Yes.
Print 1. Output is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. The new value of X is 2. It will go back, once this is the last statement, it will go back to the while X is 2. 2 is less than 5?
Yes.
Okay. Print X. What is X?
2.
2. And then it will come here. 2 plus 1 is?
3.
And the value of X is?
3.
3. So it will give the value of, it will add the value, and then it will give it back to the X, which is 3 now. So again, it will go back to the loop. 3 is less than 5?
Yes.
Okay, 3 is less than 5. Come inside. Because the condition is true, we'll come inside. Print 3. So we printed 3. And now 3 plus 1 is
4.
4. So it will go back to x. The new value will go back to x. What is the new value of x?
4.
4. Then this is the last statement. It will go back to the while. While x is 4. 4 is less than 5?
Yes.
Yes. Come inside. Condition is true. Print x, which is 4. It will print the value 4. And then it will add the 4 plus 1.
5.
5. 5. The new value of x is
5.
5. Go back to the loop. Now tell me, 5 is less than 5.
No.
No, condition is false. So it will go outside the loop. It will go here, outside the loop. Okay, for example, here I have a statement, print goodbye. Okay. So
here he will print 1, 2, 3, 4, then goodbye.
Then goodbye. Then he will print goodbye. And like that. Okay. So let's see this if this program is working like that as we are watching. So what I can do is I can keep my output. I can put a comment on these one, huh? Because I'm expecting my output should be like that. So let's go and see and compile. Okay, there is something wrong. What's wrong in that part?
We have to put two
Nuqtatan, right?
نقطتان, yes, رأسيتان.
Colon. We missed the colon, so that's why it is coming. The problem is coming. And run it again. What's the problem here now? Print is not there. Why print is not there? What's wrong?
Where print is capital here.
I have capital here. This is a case sensitive, so we have to be careful. And we said small print, okay? And now we are going back. So is the output as per our expectation?
Yes.
There you go. Now I have a question for you. Can you help me? Adding, can you help me adding now we'll write another program. So I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the answer of that one?
All of that, mister.
I want to add 1, 2, 3, 4. This series, I want to add them up.
It will be 10.
It will be 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. So now, how can we use a loop to add them up and then print the total? This is our next problem that we want to work on. So the first thing is that we need to do something that we should get 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And you know how to get it?
Yes, from the program that we wrote.
As we have done this program. Now, how can I add the value of 1 to the total and then value of 2 to the total? And I will keep on adding the value, and so at the end of the day, I get this total. How we can do that?
We will use 4 here.
We will use
4.
No, we can use while loop, no problem.
We will change what is inside of print.
Okay, this is the total, right? So total, definitely you want to keep the total somewhere in the memory, right?
Yes.
To keep the total somewhere in the memory, what you need to do? What you need to do? Define?
Yes.
Define what?
Total.
Define what? Total, right?
Yes.
So can I say that total is like this?
No. Total equal sum.
Equal 0. Can we say that? We start with 0 value. Okay. Now you can think like that. I can put 10 here and I can. So we will start with 1,
Then 2.
then 2, then 3, then 4. So we will all add them up. So how can we, so this will bring x is 1, okay? So when we loop for the first time, let me delete this one, okay? Okay, now I want to get the the first value into the total. Okay, I want to get the first value into the total. How can I do that? Okay, at the moment, forget about the loop. We have a total, and then we have x is 1.
X equal.
So how can I make a total to the value of x? That is 1.
Total equal x.
Total equal x. Very good. So the total is now 1. Is it okay?
Yes.
How can I make the value of x to 2?
We add to x 1.
What should I say?
X equal x plus 1.
Okay. So the value of x is now 2. How can I add this 2 to my previous total, which is 1?
If we write total for the next time, it will just say equal x.
No, then what is the value of total now?
It should be 2.
But it should be 3, right? 2 plus 1 is 3. You got my point?
Wait a minute.
In this
Total
case,
equal.
I'm expecting total should be 3, right? But this x is 2, so it will replace the value 1, it will replace the value of total, and it will give me just 2. So the total value is 2 now, not 3. I'm expecting 3. My expectation is 3. So how can I make it 3?
We add.
Add what?
1.
Add 1.
We add
but
x.
But we don't have the x is 2 now. X don't have the value 1. Where is the 1?
The previous.
Where is the 1? Which variable holds the value 1?
Which the variable holds 1? 1 was.
Because x is now 2, right? X is 2. X is not a 1. Which variable has a value 1? Because we want to add 1 with the 2, right?
Yes.
And this is x is 2. I want to add the value 1 because so I can make it 3. Which variable has the value 1?
The first x, Mr.
Which first? First
First
x?
x.
No, x is changed now. X is changed. This first x is no more 1. Is 2 now.
So we will add just 1?
No. Do you think that do we have a value 1 somewhere in this program?
The total, Mr.
Total has a value 1. Is that right?
Yes.
Total is still 1, right? Because we didn't change the value of total. So what we can do is, this is 2 and total is
1.
So how can I make it 3?
We will add them.
Add how?
Total plus
plus x. You got the point now?
Yes.
So it will make 3. Okay. Now I want to have a value 3. How can I get this 3 value?
We will set total.
No.
If you want to write x equal x plus 1.
Okay. Now this will give me the value of x is 3.
3.
Okay. Now I want to add this 3 to the total. What should I do? And then so that I can make it 6.
To make it 6, Mr.
Uh-huh.
Should be total equal total plus x.
Total equal total plus x. Is that right?
Yes.
So what is the value of total?
The
It's
first
3.
one or the yes. This is a 3.
Total, because this is the 3 value. The total was 3, right? And then this plus, what is the value of x now?
3.
3. So this total become 3 plus 3 is
6.
6. So total become 6. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now I got 1, 2, 3, and now I want the value 4. How can I make the value 4 available?
We will set if we write total, yes. We said total equal total minus 2.
Okay, total equal total minus 2, right? What you will get?
4.
So the value of total is 4 now, okay? How can you make it 10?
We will set total equal total plus 6.
If total plus 6. There is no 6. 6 was in the total.
If you want, I misunderstand. You want to 10, we should add them, Mr.
Yeah, what should we do?
Total.
Okay.
Not add that. Can we use while, yes?
No, we will use while later on, but at the moment I just want to make sure that you understand the concept that this is my 6, okay? Before I had a 3, total was 3, now I had a total is 6. And you see, I'm reaching up to this point. I'm reaching up to this point, so the total is 6. I'm doing fine. Now I need a value 4, so I can add to the total, to make it 10. How can I get the value 4?
For total, yes? Total equal total minus 4, minus 2.
But the total, that's what we did, right? But then
Yes.
total was 4, right? Total was 4.
4.
But I want to make it 10, not 4.
We should add 4. So.
No, how we can add 4?
I mean, for the previous one, total equal plus x.
So total equal plus x. So, okay, you want me to do total equal total plus x, right? That's what you want. So, okay, let's go. What is the total? What is the value of total?
Here is changed.
Is 6.
It became 6.
Here is
yes.
6. What is the value of x?
3.
3. What is the total?
9.
My expectation is
10.
So where is the problem?
We have change x, Mr.
We have to change x?
Yes.
Where?
We said x equal x plus 1.
X equal x plus 1.
Then we said total equal total plus x.
So you want me to put this statement under the x. That's what you want?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, let's see what happens here. So this becomes 4, right?
Yes.
So total is 6. Is that right? And the plus x is 4 now. So what we got? 10. And the value of total is
10.
10. Okay. So I think we reached some conclusion. And if I print the total, it will print 10.
10.
Now, can you tell me, is this statement same like this one? Oh, sorry. Is this group of statement same like this one?
Yes.
Is this group of statement same like this one?
Yes, it's similar.
Okay. How about this part? Is it similar?
No, it's different.
This is different. Can we make it similar?
Can we make it similar, Mr.?
Can we make it similar like this one? Can I make it total plus x here? Is it going to make any difference?
No,
What will be the output here?
it will be 1.
It will be 1 because total is 0. So, but in this way, we are in sync. Huh?
Yes.
All the statements are like that. But this part is different. Is that right?
Yes.
Any part that is different, we will, where is that? What happens? Any part that is different, we will keep out of the loop. Is that okay?
Yes.
This was like total, huh? Total like that, total plus. Any part which is common, is this common?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, so we'll make a loop here. Condition we will later on satisfy. And so this is same, this is same. No. Okay, so we have like this group of statement. This group of statement is same, right?
Yes.
Where I am making mistake. Okay. If I make it 0, then can I make it like that? Can I make it like that?
Yes.
Can I make it like that? And then I will make it like that. Sorry. Is that right? So if it is 0, x is 1. So total 0 plus 1 is 1.
1.
X is 2. So 1 plus 2 is
3.
3. X is 3. 3 plus total is 3 already, 6. X is 4. So the total is 6 plus 4 is
10.
10. Now if you see here, we have a pattern. This is same as this group, and this group, and this group. You see that?
Yes.
So we are repeating actually. We are repeating x plus 1 and total plus x. X plus 1 and total plus x. X plus 1 and total plus x. We are repeating all the time. Is that right?
Yes.
If this is the case, we will use loop. We will remove all the duplicates and we will keep one copy of that. Make sense?
Yes.
And how many times you want to loop?
To be
4 times.
4 times.
4 times. So, so what condition we can make here? So we can loop maximum for 4 times.
If it's x x less than 5.
X less than 5. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. X less than. Make sure x is 0, huh? Keep in mind.
0, it will be 1. Yeah, it will be 4, miss.
It will be 4. X
Yes,
less
it
than
will be
5 or
4.
x less than 4?
Wait, mister. The last condition, it was 4. لا, it should be less than 5, miss.
Less than 5. Okay, no problem. We'll keep it like that. We'll keep it like that. So then at the end of the day, once the loop is finished, I will print the total. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, I can remove this comment because this comment is not valid anymore. And then at the end of the day, I'll print the output as well. Okay, and let me remove this. Oh, we'll keep this output. We'll keep this output. So now this is my program. X is 0, total is 0, and we want to add all of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should get 10. Okay, so let's go and run the program. Oh, what is the problem?
We should put columns.
We should put column and we forget all the time. So what I'm going to do is what happened? What is the
You
total?
print 15. 15.
15. I was expecting 10 because until this point, it is 10. Is that right?
Yes.
If you do plus 5, then it becomes
15.
So there is something wrong, huh?
Yes.
So where should we, what is wrong? What we can fix?
Change the statement.
Change the
Statement.
which statement?
X less than 5 should be X less than 4.
It should be X less than 4. So if we can go up there and I can go here, let's compile and run. What we got? 10.
10.
I want to print the value of X every time I want to print the value of X. What should I do?
We can
So
use under the while print X.
under the while, we can say print X. Okay. And now it will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will print 10. What happens? Do you see that? It printed
So
1, 2.
I have a question.
Yeah.
How he use 4, but 4 is not less than 4?
Okay. Now, this is what it is. What is the value of 0?
X now is 0. Yes.
0. 0 is less than 4?
Yes.
Keep in mind, okay? We had a value 0 here, okay? I'll put a comment. 0. So 0 plus 1 is?
1.
1. X is 1. Total is 0. 0 plus 1 is?
0. It will be 1.
1. And I say print X. So what we are printing here? We are printing 1.
Oh, I understand now. The last time it should be 3 less than 4. Then 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is equal 4.
Very good. That is a small trick. So you got the idea now of this kind of loop, okay? Now we will go to. So this is the main thing that you need to know. Okay, if I want to do something like that, if I say, okay, I'm doing the factorial malum, factorial of 4, factorial of 4, which is factorial of 5, factorial of 5. What is that?
5 multiplied by 4
times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? So what will be the total of factorial 5? Answer is? It
will be
20 plus 3, 60 plus 2, 120 times 1, 120. So the answer will be 120. Okay? Now, can you help me in finding this factorial value? What we need to do?
So every time we subtract
multiply. Whatever the result comes in, we multiply, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But we subtract every time.
Every time we subtract it. Very good. So what should we do?
It should be x equal wait.
X.
Here it will be 5.
Here it will be 5.
Hmm. Then x less than 5, Mister. Yes.
No, less than 5.
Yeah.
We started
We
from
have
5.
so we multiply 5 times, Mister. Yes.
So we are starting from 5 and we are going down, right?
Yes.
Going down. Until when we can go?
1.
Until 1. Yani 1 mean bigger than?
Bigger than x bigger than or equal 1.
Bigger than?
Or 0. 0.
Bigger than. Can we say bigger than 0?
X fine. No, it's cannot.
Yeah. X should be bigger than 0. Yani starting from 5, keep on going down until x is bigger than 0, right?
Yes, it will not be reach 0.
Yeah, it will not reach 0. It should be bigger than 0, yani 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is the value of x?
5.
X is 5, right? So what you want to do?
X equal x minus 1.
Then it will become 4. We are not using 5 then. Okay, minus 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Then can we write like use another variable, Mister?
what other variable? Yeah, why not?
Wait, Mister. X minus 1, the total. You have to change total, sir.
Total
It will be multiplied by x,
multiply by x. Okay.
but we have to define total. Total
Total
should be 5, yes.
total should be 1. Because if it is 0, then every time you multiply
It will
anything, it
be,
will become 0.
yes,
So the total should be
1.
starting value should be 1. Even you multiply 5, it will be 5. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what should we do? So, okay, I think it should be okay, isn't it? No?
So
Maybe?
it will not be,
We are not sure. We are not sure, right?
Yes.
Can we walk through? What is the value of x?
5.
And the total is?
1.
Okay, x 5. 5 is bigger than 0?
Yes.
Okay. Then we say 5 minus 1 is?
4.
4. X is?
Equal now 4.
4. Total is 1, right?
Yes.
1 multiplied by 4?
4.
What is the answer?
It will be 4 here.
What should be the answer for ourselves? First time.
The first time, sir?
Yeah, first time
Should
when
be,
you
should be 5.
should be 5. Why it is 4?
Because this is the underline, Mister. Yes.
Because we are using we are not using the value of x is 5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We are not using. Anyway, we'll continue, and it will print x, which is
4.
which is 4. Which is 4. Okay. Then it will go back here. What is the value of x?
Now it's 4.
4. It will come here. X minus 1. 4 minus 1 is?
3.
3. So total is 4, right? Total is 4. 4 multiplied by 3?
5 total,
Four
it will be 3.
4 multiplied by 3 is?
12.
12. So the total is?
12.
12. And we are printing x.
I have a question, sir. Why the total changed?
Why?
Total it changed.
Why total change?
Yes, I understand now.
Because we are giving the new value to the total again.
Yes.
So the x is 3 now. Is that right?
Yes.
So it will print 3. Now go back again. 3 is bigger than 0?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
3 is bigger than 0. So 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is?
2.
X is now 2.
2.
Total is 12. Total is 12.
12.
12 multiplied by 2?
24.
24. It becomes 24. Okay. And the total value is, total is now 24. Print X. What is the value of X?
2.
2. Go back to the loop. 2 is bigger than 0?
Yes.
Come down. 2 minus 1 is 1.
1.
The new value of X is
1.
1. 24 multiplied by 1. What is the answer?
It will be 24.
24. The total is 24 again. The total is 24 again. And the value of X is?
Now is 1.
1. So it is 1. So it will go back again. 1 is bigger than 0. Come inside. 1 minus 1 is?
0.
0. X is?
0.
0. Total multiply by 0 is?
It will be 0.
The total will be 0 now. Okay. Print X. What is the value of X?
0.
0. Now, go back again. 0 is bigger than 0?
No.
No. Right? 0 is bigger than 0? No. Condition is false. Go outside. Print total. What are you going to print?
4, 12, 24, 24.
No. It will be 0 because total, the last value will be?
It will be, the last one is 0. Yes.
0. And then we say goodbye. So let's run this program, okay, and see if the output is coming as per our expectation. Huh? It will be
0.
0. You see that? It printed 4, it printed 3. You see that?
Yes.
4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0, and then total is?
0. The second 0, yes.
And then it says goodbye. Now, you see the problem? There is a problem.
Yes.
How to fix the problem?
The first thing, we started from 4, so we should start from 6. From 5.
So what should we start from?
6.
We should start from 6?
Yes.
Okay, we should start from 6. Then?
Total will be same.
Okay.
Then we change while x bigger than 1, Mr. S.
I don't know. We will try. You can think of that, and then we can try. So this is the two changes you make, huh? 6 and 1.
1. Yes.
Let's go. Will you get the answer?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. Now, answer is right. You got full marks, okay? Now, I want to change it back to 5. Now, please tell me, how can I make? Okay, I made it 5. What should be the answer now?
Should be 0.
No, it should be 0.
No, wait, it will be stop at 24.
It will be stop at 24. You see that? No, I want it to be 120. What changes I should make that we should get 120 in the program? In the loop, what changes we should make so that it should give you 120 with this 5, not with 6, huh? With this 5. We should change total to under the loop. Okay. So what do you want? You want this statement? This statement, what you want with this statement? We have to change it, yes? Where? Print it. I don't know exactly. Look, 5 is missing. Yes. I want the 5.
Then stop at 1.
Yeah, I
So,
want the 5. 5 is missing.
so we start from 5, mister.
We started from 5.
I mean, total equal 5 multiplied by x.
Total equal 5? No, this is fine. This is fine. There's no...
لا, I meant total equal total
Uh-huh.
multiplied by x. We change it total equal total equal 5 multiplied by x.
5 multiplied by x. You know what will happen?
It will be bigger, mister, every time.
I don't know. We'll see that. We got 5. I want that when you multiply this one, x should be 5. X should be 5. First time.
If x4, we should multiply by 4, 5 divided by 4.
You are not getting my point. I'm saying when you move from here, you say x is 5, right? 5 is bigger than 1. So x is still 5. X is still
5.
5. So you're coming here. 5 minus 1 is
4.
4. So when I reach here, x is no more 5. X is 4. I want x here to be 5. What changes I should make?
We will change x equal x minus 1 under the total.
Under the total. If I say x equal x minus 1 under the total. Now, if you come back again, 5 is bigger than 1.
Yes.
You are multiplying by
5.
You got the point?
Yes, I got it.
Now, if I go back and I say, did you see 120?
Yes.
But I'm not printing 5, although I'm multiplying 5, but I'm not printing 5. Why is that so? When it reached here to print 5, actually it is 4. What should we do?
We do what we did, Mr. X equal plus x x minus 1. We put it under the print, and I think yes, it should be like that, or should be outside of the loop. Should be outside of the loop.
No, this is inside the loop.
This is okay.
Because we need it. If it is here, if it is inside the loop, we need it here to be inside the loop. So if I run it, oh, what happens?
It's infinity, Mr.
It's infinity. Why is that so?
Print x minus 1. We should be outside of the loop, yes?
It should be outside the loop. This is interesting, huh? This is the interesting part. I was not expecting this thing. This is a loop, right?
Yes.
X should be, it should come to the X here. You got the point now?
Yes, Mr.
But it is printing 5432, not 1.
What, Mr.?
It is printing 5, 4,
3, 2. But he didn't print 1. It should be if x bigger than 0, Mr. Yes.
You see, that is how we are going to learn the programming. You have to try because you are thinking something different, but actually program is doing something different. Yes. Unless you try, then you can,
expect the outcome.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So I think I have to stop now. Any other question?
No, thank you, Mr.
So if you have any other question, let me know, send me the message. I'll open another session. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you very much. So I will share this video, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.